everyone. Welcome to beautiful Cal-a-Vie in California Health Spa and Resort. My name is Lynn and I'm here to take you through a short, gentle flow. So just come into a comfortable seat. Find those sit bones. You can be cross-legged, you can be on your knees, you can also have your legs straight out in front. And just close your eyes for a moment, draw your attention inward, internal, introspective, and just scanning your body for any tension or any gripping. On the exhale, soften and melt, let go of any tension you might be holding on to. Inhale, let's take your shoulders forward, up to the ears, and then exhale. The yoga breath in through the nose and exhale through the nose, up and circle, and then just reverse. Up, shoulders. We don't realize how much stress and tension we hold in our shoulders until we do these circles. And just one more, inhale, and one more, exhale. And take those shoulders up to the earlobes. This is what you don't want to do. Squeeze, 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 and exhale, just drop it down, release tension. And one more, squeeze up tight, and exhale, release. Then take your arms out on the inhale, and then exhale, just walk your right hand out and away, left palm, and stretch that side body. Maybe look up to that hand. And then inhale up, walk those fingers out and away, and take your other palm down and stretch. And then inhale, both arms up. And then exhale, twist, look back to your right hand to the floor, back of your left hand outside right thigh. Grow tall on the inhale, and on the exhale, gaze over your right shoulder. Gentle first twist, and then inhale up. Twist the other way, look back to the left hand. Inhale, stretch, stretch. Left hand by your back, back of the right outside left thigh. As you press against the thigh, whole spine rotates, look over your shoulder. And then release. Uncross, tabletop position, hands under shoulders. Knees are under hips. Inhale, left leg, right arm, extend back. Pause here, stay here. If you want a little bit more advanced, right hand grabs left foot, toes to the sky. And then exhale, release. Other side, right leg, left arm, extend. It's not the height, it's more the length. Inhale. Stay there is fine. If you can, if it's available to you, left hand grabs right foot, toes to the sky. Inhale. Exhale. Back to tabletop. Couple cat-cows. Inhale. Cows like a sway back, belly drops. Exhale. Cat, hollow out your tummy, chin draws in. Exhale. And just one more inhale. Exhale, draw the belly in, chin draws in. Coming back to neutral tabletop. Inhale, toes find the floor, lift up, press back, downward dog. So first downward dog of practice, hands shoulder width apart, feet are hip width apart, then pedal it out, walk the dog, bend one knee, push through opposite heel, feel that nice quad stretch as your chest presses towards your thighs, spread your fingers. Squeezing the thighs to help release the back of the legs. You don't have to have your heels to the floor. See that lift I have? You get a better stretch that way. Press back, inhale. And then walk your hands to your feet, ragdoll. Grab opposite elbows, sway side to side. Maybe shake your head yes and no. Tight hamstrings, bend as much as you need. Maybe you're all the way here. This is your practice. Side to side. Release the arms, unwind, uncurl, stretch the arms up on the inhale. Stretch right hand, right leg, left palm. You stretch over to the right side. Look up to the left hand. And then both arms up. Left hand, left leg, right palm, reach left. Inhale, both arms up. Cactus arms, shine the heart, open, elbows draw towards each other. Then arms reach to the sky in the inhale. And then exhale, swan dive forward all the way down. Then hands to shins, just press away, lengthen. Exhale, walk your hands all the way. So you're in a plank just for a breath. Shoulders over wrists on the inhale. Exhale, press back, downward dog. Take 5 breaths there. Again, if you like to pedal it out or be totally still, elbows are drawing in towards each other. Lift your hips, bending the knees again as much as you need. Inhale, right leg high. Exhale, right foot in between the hands, holding your high lunge. Modified, your left knee comes to the floor, tops of the foot flat. Lift the chest. So you're here or you're here. Pushing the left heel back. Inhale, going to stretch out through the left top of the leg, left hip flexor. Exhale, hamstrings shift back. Leg is straight or keep a bend in the knee. Inhale, Fold over the straight or semi-straight right leg. With blocks, you can have your hands on blocks to take some of the edge off. And then just breathe into the back of the leg. Bend as much as you need. As you draw towards the leg, deepening the stretch, less intensity, press away. Or use your blocks. One more breath in. Exhale, right knee bends, knee over the ankle, peel open, right arm up, look up to the right hand. So twist. Again, you're here modified. Inhale, right hand down. Back to downward dog. Inhale. Left leg, take it up, bring it on through, all the way. Hands under the shoulders or on your blocks. Inhale, hold here, or you're here. Both ways, great. You're getting a hip flexor psoas stretch. Lengthen through the right heel if your knee is off the floor. Heart lifting, shoulder blades squeeze together. Inhale, one more breath there. And exhale, hamstring stretch. It's called pyramid pose, folding over your left leg. Oh, breathe into the back of the thigh, the hamstrings. Breathe there. Blocks will help you. Your modified looks like this. Foot lifted or foot flat. Inhale there. And then exhale, knee over the ankle, right hand stays down. Open to the side, twist. Here, modified here. Look up to your left hand. Left hand finds the floor. Inhale, exhale, downward dog. Good. Take a couple breaths here. This is our home base. Modify instead of downward dog, your child's pose. Good. Take an inhale, and then exhale. Left foot comes forwards. Spin the heel down so your toes and heels out, hands to hips. Lift the chest on the in, and then exhale, fold forward. So if you can't get your hands to the floor, you've got a block or something at home, you have a towel or a blanket rolled up, lengthen, inhale, and then just come forward. Even if your head finds the block or the floor, lifting the arches, hands line up with your toe tips. Inhale, and then exhale, come up, hands to hips, and come all the way out. Take your right toes facing the top of your mat. Arms to a side. So you're taking up a lot of the mat here. Nice wide stance, arch to heel alignment. Inhale. You're just going to bend into the right knee. Exhale. Look over your right middle finger. The knee's not rolling in, so make sure you can see your right big toe. Torso right over the hips. Gaze out through that right hand. Good. Knees and hips are spreading away from each other. Inhale. Lower body that stays the same. Reverse warrior. Left hand, left leg, right arm reaches back. Feel that lengthening up through that right side body. Knees again over the ankle. Try not to straighten that leg. Inhale. Exhale. Right forearm finds right thigh. Sweep the left arm up and open. Side angle pose. Look up to your left hand and stretch long. Good. Sink into that right knee maybe a little bit more. Lift that inner left arch so you don't want to collapse into that left foot. Take an inhale. On the exhale, push the right leg straight. Arms and legs straight. Take an inhale. Exhale, going to reach past the right foot. When you can't reach any further, like you're trying to touch the side wall, wherever you're at, tilt. Right hand, wherever it goes, is your custom triangle. It might go here, it might go here, or all the way to the toe. Look up to your left hand. So it's arm over arm, shoulder over shoulder. Take one more in. On the exhale, reverse your triangle. So lower body stays the same. You're just stretching the opposite way. Right arm over. If you can, look up to the right hand. If you have neck issues, just look over your left shoulder. Maybe both arms stretch out. And then inhale up. Toes in, heels out again, hands to hips. Lift the chest, inhale. Exhale, arms out to the side. So this time you're just going to interlace your hands like this. Open the heart on the inhale, and then exhale, forward fold. So same thing, and then you're just lifting your arms off your back as high as you can. Wherever your head goes is fine for you. And then just breathe, squeezing the thighs, lift the inner arches. More weight in the balls of the feet, less weight in your heels. And then inhale, coming up. Arms out. Now turn your left toes to the side. Inhale. Warrior two. Sink down. Make sure you direct the left knee towards your left baby toe. Heart lifting. Gaze at your left big toe. Make sure your knee's not rolling in. Inhale. Exhale, reverse warrior. Right hand, right leg, left palm down. Stretch. Breathe and stretch. Just surrender into this intense stretch up that left side. Inhale. And then exhale. Left forearm finds the left thigh. Right arm sweeps up, down, and around. Gaze up to that right hand if you can. So lift that right inner arch, left knee directly over the ankle. Inhale. Exhale, triangle, arms like straight, reach past the left foot like again you're reaching for something. When you can't reach any further, tilt left hand down, right arm up. And breathe. Like you're being pressed between two panes of glass. Take one more in, and exhale, reach up and back, reverse your triangle. Maybe both arms framing your face. And then inhale, arms up. Good. And then exhale, you're going to just face the left foot. Come into your downward dog again, pausing here in your downward dog. Inhale. And then exhale, lift the right leg up for pigeon pose, going into that right glute, right hip. Right knee, take it towards the right edge of the mat. Your right ankle's probably around where your left thigh is. Inhale there. And then exhale, nice hip stretch, forward fold. If you have any knee issues, you're going to be on your back, thread the needle here or here. So that's your modification. Oops. Just take a couple breaths there. Inhale. And then exhale, come up. We can go the other side, either from downward dog or tabletop. Inhale. And then exhale, left foot comes through, right leg straight back. Inhale, heart lifts. Exhale, crawl forward. So you're here and just breathe into the left hip, or you're in the modification here. And just take 5 breaths there. Four. Then inhale, come up. And then drop the left hip down if you're in your pigeon. If you're in thread the needle, just come on to your back, feet in front here, or lift. Inhale, and then exhale, lower it all the way down. Bring those knees into the chest. A quick happy baby, grab bottom, inside arches of the feet. Sway side to side. And then take those knees into the chest and extend right leg, left leg. Shavasana, take complete rest, palms up to receive the energy, feet flop apart. Just take up space on your mat. Close your eyes, I'll guide you out in about a half a minute and just totally melt into the mat. Start to make some movements with your fingers, your toes and wrists and ankles as you bring your awareness back to your mat. And then just stretch your arms overhead for a big awakening stretch. And then just bring your knees into your chest and drop your knees to one side. Just take your top hand to the floor and just push yourself up into a comfortable seat, any comfortable position. Just close your eyes for one moment. Hands draw to heart center. And just notice how you feel. Hopefully different than when you started, maybe more relaxed, more calm, maybe more energized. Breathe into all those spaces you just created and take them out into your day today. Namaste. Thank you so much for showing up on your mat, and have a wonderful day, and hope to see you all very soon. Thank you for coming to class again. Namaste.